friends, running kimono. So we have dollar cheesecakes this week over at the Dollar General. You can do this on Saturday or you can do it today if you wish. So it's until the 30th, which is Saturday. And I'm going to be really honest with you guys. Whenever these cheesecakes drop down to $1, they tend to really go really quickly because a lot of people can see a lot of value in this. So if you look at the flyer this week or in the app, it says 2 for $3. Both the strawberry and the just the regular plain one, but the regular plain one is always $2. So obviously the best bang for your buck is to get the ones with the topping. And in the app, these are the two that I'm seeing that are part of the promotion, just to let you know that, because I know that they have like a peppermint one and they have one with like chocolate, but you know, if you scan it, if you see it, but these are the ones that I'm seeing, just to let you guys know. Okay, so on a regular shelf in the baking aisle, they are there. They also have a special aisle closer to the front of the store with holiday foods. So they have like the canned pumpkin, boxes of stuffing, and this is part of a holiday meal. Well, Dollar General knows absolutely everything, so that makes perfect sense. Also, they have these little pop-up displays towards checkout, or it could be on an end cap area with the different marshmallows, Jello pudding, and then at the very bottom, see those cheesecakes? So if you can't track them down, you might have to look at a couple different places in your store. So at the top of this display, it says buy 6, save 2 with digital coupon. So we were able to load this as of September the 6th. It's valid right until January the 7th. So you might have to look around for these cheesecakes. You need 4. And then this is the digital coupon that you need loaded. And then if you look at the bottom, it says 2 for $3. So that promotion that we were seeing in the flyer is also applying to these ones that I found in the store. That is the strawberry and the cheesecake. They have different flavors as well. They have a chocolate one and one that's like a peppermint patty one. But scan it. They didn't have those at my store. I think they just have less merchandise because I'm like super rural. But scan it with the app. And if you see that little thing saying 2 for $3, it should be rock and roll time at your store. Okay, so taking a quick peek at the mathematics, grabbing 4 of those Jello cheesecakes, remember they're 2 for $3, that is $6. Subtracting that 2 off of 6, so when you're at checkout, you're going to punch in your phone number, and that's how that digital coupon will apply. So you're left with paying $4 because 6 minus 2 is 4, so it's $1 per cheesecake, and this is once per account. And if you wanted to add this with a Saturday 5 off 25, you can do that as well. The only thing I've seen in the past, though, whenever this promotion rolls out, and usually happens now and then it'll happen right before Thanksgiving with their 4-day sale, it tends to go really, really quickly. And I think a lot of you know that Dollar General, for the most part, some stores in bigger cities, they don't have a lot of stock right now because of everything going on in the world. So if you want to pounce on this sooner in the week, I think that might be a smart idea, especially if this is something that you and your family really enjoy. Now, between now and Christmas, they always have these 4 days of extra savings, certain items that'll be, reduced down at a very good value. And for the most part, a lot of this stuff, I'm not really interested in, but there is one item that I think between Wednesday and Saturday, so from the 27th to the 30th, if this is on your list, or if you need it for your household, or if you want to gift something for Christmas, this is a very, very excellent price, if I do say so myself. So these Toastmaster appliances, there's a whole host of them. They're going to be $5, guys, and it's anywhere between $12.50 to $17, and it's going to be reduced down greatly. So at my local store, that little Chop-O-Matic thing, the little mixer, it's not KitchenAid, but Toastmaster isn't the worst company. So, I think a couple of these I'm going to grab maybe on a Saturday with a 5 off of 25. I certainly have my eye on that can opener because I am so fed up of using like one of those one that, you have to, the old-fashioned one, and I almost sliced open my hand a couple days ago. So I think I might treat myself to an early Christmas gift and get a can opener. How very, very sad is that? So this promotion is from Wednesday to Saturday. The Jello is all week long. Happy shopping, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!